and today we are going to make a cooking video, but it's with a twist. So what are we going to make? Let me show you. It's also an unboxing video. Ta-da! So let me tell you a story behind this. So yesterday was my birthday and I got this as a gift, and I love this gift. Like it is a very good gift, useful gift. And this, my mother gave me this compass. I waited for this compass for about 1 year. There is also a story behind this. I saw this in my school, in my friend's hand, and I loved it so much that when I reached home, I asked my mother for this compass. So my mother said my mother was not ready to buy it. So finally, I got this on my birthday. And you can see something silver behind me. This is what I have made today to keep my little stationery. I made this. I know it's a bit shabby, but I'm proud of this invention of mine. I like it. Okay, so let's start with the video. But before we start with the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever. Okay, now let's start. So now this is the front, and now I'm opening it. Okay, so now let me tell you what are there. And the base of the soap is always glycerine. So I've kept it in this bowl. You can see this glycerine soap. Then these are some dried rose petals. Then these are two molds. Then this is one loofah scrub. And these are two natural fragrances. This is color and fragrance. So this and this again, that glycerine, which I have removed here. Now let me tell you how to make this, and then I will also make and show you how. This is the glycerine soap I have. Okay, you can see this. And then to this I add a few drops of fragrance and color. Okay, so you can see I have this cute pink color and this nice fragrance. The smell is very nice. And now let's come to our next step. To these molds, I have these shapes. I don't know about this shape, what is this called, but I have this heart and this shape. Okay, so then to these two shapes, you can make one or two, how many ever you want. To this, we add, you can either add both of these rose petals and the loofah scrub, or you can add any one of them. So then you put the rose petals in the mold and half of the loofah scrub. Okay, and then you add your melted base of the soap to the mold, and until and after it hardens, your soap is ready to use. Simple. Okay, so I like this gift, and now I will show you how to make it also. Okay, so now I have cut some of the loofah scrub and I have removed some rose petals, and now to that I will add some fragrance and color, few drops. Then you stir it and add the glycerine to it. Melted glycerine. Okay, I'm adding the color. That's it. Now I will stir it nicely and then add the glycerine to it. Oh, actually first add the glycerine and then I will stir it. सोप्स रेडी है, तैयार है. आप देख सकते हैं इतने अच्छे आए हैं. हाँ, निकालने में थोड़े से शैबी हो गए हैं, लेकिन वो इट्स ओके. Just ये रहा हमारा पहला सोप और अब दूसरा, ये रहा हमारा दूसरा सोप। प्यारे बने, मुझे बहुत पसंद आए ये सोप। देख सकते हो ये इतने, इसमें तो हमें वो जो हम वो लाइक स्क्रब यूज करते हैं उसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने इसमें स्क्रब डाला है। कितना प्यारा है ये।